So Mateo, what do we do all day? When Mom's not here and there's nobody around, what do we do?
We have fun.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
And what do we do?
Eat chips a lot.
We eat chips a lot. What else do we do? Come on, speak to me.
Eat good food.
Oh, that's all we do is eat? Is that fun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we just eat. That's all we do. Nice fart. I don't want your butt to do the talking. So what else do we do?
Watch TV.
Oh, do we? I didn't realize that we watch TV. Yeah, what kind of TV do we usually watch?
Poop butt.
Yeah, poop butt TV, what else?
Poops.
What else? What else?
Cat in the Hat.
Yeah. What else?
Movies.
Movies. What kind of movies?
Pops.
I didn't laugh that time, I just pretended to. What else do we do?
Candy.
We eat candy?
Yeah.
No, we don't. Sometimes. What kind of candy do we eat?
I don't know.
You're gonna choke on the chip. Choking chips. You better just chew that chip, man.